Here I have DOOGEE S60, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button, screen recording. Tap on it once, and after that recording menu will open. Start now. You can access some of its settings here. For example, you can select video size here. You can select bitrate. You can set your duration of this video recording, and here you can switch your microphone. And in the 3 seconds recording starts. Let's record some of our screen. For example, some settings. And if you want to stop recording, just tap on this button once again. And after that recording stops, and you can find it in gallery, in the screen recorder section here. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.